Gaslit cobblestone streets, rose-covered cottages. You might think you know Nantucket, but we're going to show you all about it. The island of Nantucket is located 30 miles off the coast of Cape Cod and is reachable by ferry or airplane. It consists of one historically preserved main town and is surrounded by smaller, charming seaside communities. From the lush vegetation, gently rolling heathlands, cranberry bogs, and salt marshes inland, to the picturesque moors and beaches on the coast, Nantucket is abound with natural beauty. When you first step off the ferry in Nantucket, you arrive in the thick of the action. And one of the first things you might wonder is, where am I going and how am I going to get there? Here's how you get from place to place. The cobblestone streets that you meet when you get off the ferry are filled with world-class restaurants, many shops and galleries, as well as a number of museums, like the Whaling Museum that celebrates the island's rich whaling history. There are also a number of lovely beaches accessible by foot from the downtown area. And while the island of Nantucket is relatively small, you can't see it all on foot. There are car rentals, taxis, and Ubers, but we recommend you opt for renting a bike and explore the island via the bike path that circles the island. Another wonderful form of transportation around the island's year-round bus, known as the Wave. Seriously, downtown is awesome, but if you're looking to venture out a little further, this is what you might find. If you're seeking a respite from the hustle and bustle of town, venture out to the rest of the island's 55 miles of broad, pristine beaches, perfect for swimming, surfing, fishing, and biking. Tom Nevers, Surfside, Cisco, Dionis, and Madaket are all popular vacation spots. Madaket Beach, often voted one of the region's best, is famous for its spectacular sunsets. The charming community of Naushop, with its brick sidewalks, picket fences, and classic Nantucket architecture, offers shopping, restaurants, a community pool, and tennis courts. And 7 miles east of town sits the laid-back, picturesque little village of Siasconset, or Sconset as it is commonly known. Formerly a haven for fishermen, Sconset still has some narrow lanes lined with tiny rose-covered cottages sitting side by side. But there are larger summer rentals there as well, many overlooking the ocean. Are you ready to book that rose-covered cottage yet? Well, here's how you can do it. If you're ready to book your trip to the island of Nantucket and need to find the perfect vacation rental, definitely visit our website, WeNeedaVacation.com. From large to small, luxurious to modest, WeNeedaVacation.com offers many options when it comes to vacation homes on Cape Cod, Martha's Vineyard, and Nantucket. The best part of all? You get to communicate directly with a homeowner, and there are no booking fees. That's right, when you book a home through our site, you will not pay booking fees. Save that money for something else, like a lobster dinner or a pair of Nantucket Reds. Nantucket really is the quintessential seaside town, and we hope you get a chance to visit it, especially now that you know all about it.